mixed microgreens. You see everything in there. There go my trays right there. Got some black cow mixed with some perlite and mixed with some peat moss. So this is how we doing this. Then we want to stack them up like this and find something that you already have at home. Get creative. There's an extra tray to put some weight on them. Then we're going to need to put them in a dark place for about 2 days. Keep them in a dark place for about 2 days. You'll know. They'll tell you it's time to take this top off and sit me under some lights. Check them about twice a day. Keep the soil moist. Make sure it's not dry, not wet, just moist. And you'll be all right. About 12 days, you'll be eating some microgreens. Well, on that note, take care, peace, just be love.